If you're a content creator, then you need to hear this. Today we're going to demonstrate a live example of creating 200 Instagram Reels using AI. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's totally doable with the right tools and prompts. First off, the hero of our story is an AI tool called InVideo. It's a super handy platform designed to create stunning videos quickly. Now let's get into the nitty-gritty of how to use it. Step 1. Sign up for an InVideo account. It's straightforward and takes only a few minutes. Once you're in, you'll see a dashboard filled with templates and features. Step 2. Choose a template that suits your content style. InVideo offers a vast range of templates specifically designed for social media reels. Pick one or a few that fit your brand's aesthetic. Step 3. This is where the magic happens, the AI assistant. InVideo's AI can generate content based on your input. Simply go to the text-to-video section and start entering your prompts. For example, type in a prompt like, create a 15-second reel about morning routines, or generate a fun reel on workout tips. Now step 4, customize your reels. The AI will give you a draft, but you can tweak it by adding your brand colors, logos, and any specific text you want. Repeat this process with different prompts until you hit that 200 mark. Finally, step 5, download and schedule your reels. InVideo allows batch downloading so you can get all your reels in one go. Use scheduling tools like Later or Hootsuite to plan your posts and keep your audience engaged. And there you have it. With InVideo and a bit of creativity, you can churn out 200 Instagram Reels in no time. Happy creating, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips.